Hello, Richard here from EagleSix Airsoft. We're going to be testing this Tokyo Marine Scar H Ngrs. This has been done for a DMR build, and we've done a level 6 build on this one. So this has the gate Titan basic. It's got the FPS Spring guide. It's got FPS piston head, FPS cylinder head, Prometheus gears, Prometheus barrel, Prometheus bearings. It's got the warhead base motor, Psionic R hop, and EagleSix upgraded springs. And we've just to make sure that's everything in there. Yep, I've got upgraded Recoil spring set. I'll make sure I detail all these on the video for the video. And we've built this around 4.3 ammo, and it is at 275 feet per second on 4.3s, and that's 435 on 2s. So obviously this one is single shot locked. So we're ready to demonstrate this one working now. There we go, so all tested, and hopefully everything's all good for you. Obviously we'll put this build specification in the list. Any problems, let us know. Thank you.